Mema Obibia Akwaba Eba GVC News. Hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm a Bremo. A year training back who are reacted to a year IMF from same as say Ghana. IMF to say you qualify a month to say your loan a year pen $3 billion to say one shall say a year home and to year. Now the other two Janus say you a year $600 million Ken Ofori Atta the other two just say you know $600 million out of the $3 billion about the car yes sir. Now IMF from same a year conditions be abata now answer na yebeko and similar. Message say we subscribe to the channel now. Message say over subscribe. O click subscribe button now. Wa belly notification. We are this video full be upload no. So once ebeka bi. After we are now like video no my thumbs up. Now fi wa share ma afufro so enya bi share. Afia ko eye similar. Eye IMF say nyame adom wana je eye loan atum. Ama sisi no ya qualify ama sisi $600 million ababeto dra ama sisi no eye Ghana yen saka sika no na eye conditions e bata eye IMF loan enu na eye central bank wa react ya wodi ensemble na ra atudra saso ena eye alarm Kojo Kyeremanteng Kennedy Agyapong wan nyina de nsem to defa eye IMF na eye hwe eye ensem a eye central e kafa eye IMF conditions na wo kire se sisi no eye electricity bill chese busumi nsibia no yebetum na chese conditions bata ho no ebema ahokyere na hihia no sese ebekoso Ghana for yo ho ebekire ye pa na de atoso no se sese eye taxes eye atu ayetua no sese ni nyina eba bekoso more taxes ni nyina ka eye conditions yi ho a central ni ekire se taxes no ni nyina increment ebam na eye Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng nyina nim se ono so pese wotu franka ma ye NPP no so yatonso aba ma na be president na wodi ensem bi atudwa na wo kire se Akufo Addo ye popular fellow according to AS and training insem awaka no na wodi inept Bawumia so bi oni skills and opese o fight ya na obisi na AS and training e de ensem bi nara na tudwa eye Kennedy so ni nsem bi awaka eye IMF no wodi ni nyina atudwa yensem no yebukapoti eye ensem eye century editu dwa yentie eye nensema wokaye.
I'm very pleased that the IMF Executive Board has approved today a 3-year, $3 billion support for this program. We are proud to be partners with Ghana in addressing the difficult economic and financial conditions the country is facing. Today's decision is also a major milestone for the G20 Common Framework, the commitment by the Official Creditors Committee to help make Ghana's
You
debt
are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
was essential
Hot news
for the
all
approval
time.
of the funds program, and it signals important progress in the G20 Common Framework. The decision our board has taken is the beginning of the work we will do together with the authorities of Ghana for the implementation of the program for the benefit of the people of Ghana.
And Commando Asemno Anono, but ye more details ewo. Now your trust in Mr. Say one IMF deal no ayakwa sign no. What are some of the details it was a deal no? We are Ghana ni biati ye nan komoni ye. Debi amekasa sabio ye metena ha metwe obi antro. But sa enkomo ye die. Wopani bia kasa dia fa ho na medru no so. Ni akwakotie ne nsem no. But before then, you can't take Kennedy Agyapong. So because IMF a tressing, or because IMF a tressing were failing to manage the economy. Or be obako IMF biano were failing to manage the economy. Or we Kennedy Agyapong say NPP are failing to manage the economy. And on the tressing, and on the tressing, si kasam toto yanwa.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
No, woman to me and to Tuni ye, woman di sikano, woman di be jari wiam, woman di be mama, woman di be yakasam, and be to ton sase, and be to talk cars, and din womanum amasikanosa. It is a sign of ama wamaino yanima guase yantumia manage the economy according to Kennedy Agyapong, a leading member of NPP, and that's Nasama Waka say they failed to manage the economy and I made the Ghana Kwaku baby. Edia Kwaku, the Kennedy Agyapong.
What is your understanding of going to IMF for assistance when you have failed? When you have failed managing your own economy, then you shift to IMF.
Why I am some Kennedy Agyapong kaye? Mesramo Kennedy diano, Monsensi subi mansa. Monsensi so Kennedy. Monsensi Kennedy Agyapong diano subi.
What is your understanding of going to IMF for assistance when you have failed? When you have failed managing your own economy, then you shift to IMF.
When you have failed managing your own economy, then you shift to IMF. Then you make sure IMF conditionality no. Ni sure nuoma a woman. A woman no. An economist, yeah, Professor Godfred Botpin. Wakasa ede afahu. Na yakoni yakwakutie ne nsem no. Yahwe ne nsem no. Na ya digest nsem no hatie. Number 1. Yamisa se IMF conditionality no. And so shabai no mode ma yen. And so sha wo mode ama ye number 1 and say bosome mi ense bia no yanto electricity bill mu. It is a see ya mene mo kasai. Yato electricity bill mu a. Yadesha said yatu was a June and a better reflecting. It is the next 3 months after June. What is June, July, August, September? Yabasatum. November, December, January. Yabasatum. And now, opening at say we should expect more taxes. Set taxes ever costro. Opening ni. Yanidi at the Professor Godfred Botpin. Now, not something say. But be as say, yadrono increment baba cut taxes mu. It is so rare. Woman penny atoto taxes ahudu. But I don't just say ye tianye. I don't just say ye. Say aduane would ye krano. One way ya abane baba hewa duane. No bisa say. We did it 3 times a day at taxes say and you are also. As I am speaking with you, and then anano menumudin komo say. COVID tax at the Nama will reaccrash. And the albino is going to increase every tax. And the income tax. And that's saying, and then DVLA Uraha will lances. Asia Nasabi Atamna Swa. Now Coco Renewer at the same. And no insurance at the same. Sase Bibiamono. IMF conditionality in the say. In order to meet woman says send woman diamayeno and was a bino over burden at this year and Akufo Addo dear one no a yard ketwa craman cry. It is a see yamenuka say electricity tariffs yatum over 18.36%. Ya dear Toso diamayen. Ya by June electricity bill as some the cost rubium but yea and commodity dear who pan and say more taxes ever bedeyen. And Juma Wiyana Katriana Yadema Wono. And so Babete and companies Ludwano ever be lay off workers. Because Sasia Yaka saying I was here who's a VAT akosro. VAT apeja. Sese Bawumia kam yatia say Uber almost start a pilot project. Ewo Uber ni yangu. Ya wo furu sesia no a ensese no edam no say wonya oda Uber ananyango bia no a immediately oda no ano na aban no tax wo de atoso it is say no aban no taxes no operate within that area and no na ma Dr. Mamadu Bawumia ba kacha Ghana for say enche taxes trotro ene ayalolo ene STC ene VIP mu nyina no ye de wo mu nyina ba beto one platform so etu wo kwakofra wo fro ya digital no atua said ya baya aban no betumi age the taxes and these are the processes you are modeba said ya baya Ghana ni ho betere no and you are ni nyina no eya wo Ghana ni no wunti and omo ye sa because I was say wo bre na Akufo Addo ho to no mama ye mi say sika bebrebe no aba ye mani mu no ya de ko hefa ya de yadai because your first school am ye hunu ye your first hospital am ye hunu ye your first me adwuma be me hunu ye and ye na sika no wan sika no a yagye ne bebrebe no ya ma o man Ghana ko bankrupt no ya hotere emene ye no sa sika no ye de ko hefa eti Ghana fo hyase e bisa semisa IMF deal ya yakwai Ghana fo bisa nsam wo mo bisa bi ade fa ho Ghana fo akyere o madwen e wo IMF no ho ne ekotie Ghana fo e no madwen tere
bosia ya ye ka ho asem wo kwaje bosia e ye ka da Owusu.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Ekwan ben na efa so na di mpuntu abro man 600 million a ye ka ho asem ni opani dem pa na ye betumi di aye o man yi musika bibrebe a eto bibrebe bosia bo bibrebe antumi amwa wei ede na be ye yenhwe ne ye moye bra yie no man ne be ye a ifriye ne a.
Very good. And if this is the issue there, na IMF I call you know because $600 million. You're betting. You got this $750 million at the Free African Development Bank. Says Sikana Ebani the Ghana home beto yen. You this Sikana free no one Yaban $150 million. Ayra. Yahu baby a scan fire. Yahuda day Yahuda Domba when Tibeka says can cry Yahu baby a scan war. $750 million Yahu baby a scan coin. $600 million yabano African Development Bank kamaye be paying say for rehabilitate our cocoa sector and no be near kasi at $50 million and the man kwala chocolate dia $5 million and the man kwala chocolate dia besin na chocolate anko $5 million say yenim dia kwasa bottom. And if this government is telling you say when you say $600 million and you be awadi bi adwuma ama Ghana for ye bi and I want the baby hospital and I want the bayade sikanaba and as I am speaking with you emfine enkosi anana awotwe o mampani Akufo Addo betu kwan wo kwa hen wo kodware wiem sikanaba wo de bi kodware wiem wo de bi kotele wo kodi sikano mesikanasa wo kodi sikano ama sikanasa wo manya yetimu ahotere mre yan ya bobosia ya paya hu ayehunu yasemu owura Bawumia akra kasa bi mada and wa brande kasa ni nyina wa brochire and wa de bagana ha so de be campaign na wa manya hochire ye na mu no kasa wa ye de campaign minianom wa wo share Facebook minim sa video way mo hu de bebre babuma yemisa Bawumia say ahochire mre wa mu yesesa sika Akoto sa kasa we bone ba no manya ye na no na Kojo Kyeremanteng abetre na dwen dia fa de ekoso no ho na lantremate asema wokani alantremase titie alantremate nsem no ye fa one after the other alantremate nsem no ka ye no me ne wo ba bebubum na yetie ne yahunu say what at all ana ekoso alantremate say tiani yo Alantemate say the popular failure Nana Akufo Addo is doing everything in his power to make the inept Bawumia. Inept means having or showing no skills. Having or showing no skills will be a wani nimdia. Ana woni adwene bi efa bibi ho enti Bawumia have no skills won't show any skills enti we say one person what the inept Bawumia to succeed him but the grassroots have more say than him. Ghanaians cannot continue with the undeserved mess they have created and yeka Bawumia abai ya vice president and Alantremate say nanado a popular failure will be a failure nania say what failure.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Is
Hot
the
news
only
all
person
time. You
was
are watching Juicy
failure.
News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Is the only celebrated failure in the whole Africa continent. He is the only celebrated president who failed. A celebrated failure. That is President Akufo Addo for you. He has nothing to show upon all the money bosia wadie nyina no wo be say Akufo Addo say wo de sika ne ye dan a na ne buafu ne wakunkom na de handkerchief abonensa ne watia ne kwa to ne tiri ho ono okono wo bi otumi kwaje bosia e de sika ne bi ye wati ne kenke party. This person a popular fellow nyam nam ka Alan Kyeremanteng say Akufo Addo ye popular fellow another hono was the popular fellow na nadu danko Akufo Addo is doing everything in his power to make the grassroots or to make the inept. And I'm a say inept no simple means having or showing no skills. Having or showing no skills. It will be so say, Tie, or be so say, what does inept person means? Lacking in skills or ability. Simple means incompetent. Eti ana incompetent no Bawumia yusuma owura John Dramani mahama no. Omo use that same word no e de ama no. But the only thing I say, you the other side no. And I'm tell say having or showing no skills no simple means useless. Simple means useless. We should say other word of incompetent. Inept is part, useless is part. So what say? Mine no aye inept. The inept Bawumia to succeed him. But the grassroots have more say than him. Ghanaians cannot continue with the undeserved mess they have created. Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng. Yewura the other side and nani yansha say. Anyanyambi adu omuken. Ayano kre ananyano kre. Bawumia at the mess or at the time wa mind na kwa hochire mu no na autocars e de be campaign at the time a hochire emene wa mind no na Bawumia autocars e de be campaign.
Yo, for winning and some year century edit to ja IMF sensem ACC $3 billion no Ghana yensaka $600 million. Na no and what they have some be at to ja which say amuchirenya hu Ghana for ye be kubu no be den taxes e be kosoro electricity bill busumi bia no ye betum ese kura kofa yangu anase wuba ye bete wo tax ni nyina ode ni nyina to ja ene ensema ye Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng edit to ja for Akufo Addo ho ene Bawumia oda ni nyina edi because say juicy ni so na wo hwe so nyan subscribe ya message say obe subscribe na like it na share video no ama ofoforo so enya bi ahwe oso betimi akire wadwen afa ensebu nyina ewo comment box ri mo bete men can view in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.